Hello everyone, you're welcome to Edo Tafia Amipo YouTube channel, the best place for your news, entertainment and excitement. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't hesitate to subscribe to us, and while you are there, please click on the notification bell so that next time when we drop any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much and God bless you. Yes, so my people, now we're done. Now we're done and now we're done. Now welcome back to Edo Tafia Amipo YouTube channel. How on the other side? How things? I hope everything do okay. Yes, so I hope everything do okay with the family and then the rest of them. You know, the family, friends, and well wishers. So if everything do okay, may the Lord be praised, man. Make you give God, Baba God. Make you give him all the praise, you know, all the accolades, you know. Now you deserve him because now be the Alpha, now be the Omega. Now so once again, you are welcome back to Edo Tafia Amipo YouTube channel. You know, the place will be safe for the happen. Now here, you know, anything at all, now the scene here, any news, now get on here, anything with the happen on social media, they here. If not TV, they happen, no, there's something they here, and I be with you there. So my people, today we get video for now, and the video now from Stainless Amadi. Stainless Amadi. It talk to people. We say once the people will say the university put this protest or anything at all they do like that. We say the university rest. You know, made a rest for this case. Say Obaseki a good man. Say because it go be shame. Or be say the protest will they start in peace. Like say they get him, they get target. We say they want target. We say the meaning of that protest. We say they want him police brutality. They want see him SARS. You get me? That was the beginning. That was the thought of that protest. And I mean, like the desire or the aim or the target or something to accomplish about that protest. Now be waiting there. You can't say, but as people come to the behave now, it can't be like say some people they say they carry on that emotion. So we say Governor Nogega say Obaseki defeat the opponent, you know, which was POI or Osage Zeyamu, you know what I mean? So which was Pastor Osage Zeyamu, and I be waiting there. See some people carry that grievances. We say they just use that opportunity as this protest just gonna go till they destroy government properties and things like that, you know what I mean? And it go be shame as still somebody talk, it go be shame. We say politicians or ex-politicians or people with the prominent places, and because they get money, they give youth money. We say they give them money, bribe them in a way, they just go the use and they destroy government properties and things like that. You know what I mean? So still somebody really talk to them to say like, and even maybe they do that kind of thing. Then we say the election come and everything, and the campaign start and they do unfair and square, basically win clear. So if people just can't use that grievances, just can't use that opportunity, just can't they do all those things. Now shame, and she even get a special name for them. We say me I not like use, but if you watch the video, so I go see the type of names we say she use for them. And I be waiting there, and waiting she still talk say this we say Apple, we say all these you understand me? All this palliative rice and everything now, and the warehouse too and everything. It's seen as throughout all states. That 36 states, we say the Nigeria, all of them observe that kind of thing. All of them get warehouse. We say they don't tell the citizens or their state citizens. The citizens of each state, you know, each government get the warehouse, and none of them declare the warehouse open to the public. Say not be only for those states, and the rest people they with the other state they see them, they relax, everything they bam. But for those states, when you go always try make different. We say some people once they start to they use this in the agitate towards other issues, you know. So I know Obaseki don't sign the contract now with the police and everything. We say they don't hand us, and at the same time the police brutality they don't hand down. So that was Obaseki don't sign this thing. So somebody really talk well and talk great way. You really talk. We say you just get the point which they talk about. She say no matter waiting, this government good because it was in a. As still somebody talk, it was in a POI pastor Sage Zeyam na day position. Say all those, not be say all those protesters or whatever. They foresee waiting day. Now because say Obaseki a nice man and a very cool, quiet and relaxed man, now make things be like that. I mean, so Amadi really. Still, somebody really talk well. We say so much talk like she really talk like really. In fact, she matured for brain and everything, you know. So I don't know if you just talk even 1% of what she don't talk. Maybe what did I just want to analyze, summarize, and what him say she did. What the so many things we say still they come, and the one where I not make sure we wanna go see or wanna go hear, wanna go listen to on this particular video. So I just did it. So my people, I wanna do well for listening, and you know, time down, the time don't reach now. We say we take the gather ourselves, take the listen to the person we be say we feature on our video, you know. And today's one and I be our own sister, Stainless Amadine, or Queen Stainless Amadine, you know. So maybe we just listen to her. She wants to the she wants to deliberate now over what she bring for us, what she want to discuss, you know. So and it's very, very interesting. I promise that. Okay, let's join her. Thank you now once again. May God bless every one of you now. Okay, now do one. Bye bye.
All this food when I go carry now. None of my family, I don't know about my mama family, their children. I don't know about my papa family, their children. But if you remember, my siblings from the same bola, the same mekus, they not go there, go collect food. Even the one where government shared willingly, shared with the mind. For the first time when the COVID-19 was hot, you not reach my mama compound. Now me even give people. So now so you just reach. Be me they feed them. Now governor be they feed them. Like this has to be like this, so if you not like money, take can. If you not like money, not take can. But if you not be saying a sheep empty revenge, you not they do. You be quikus. You are not a man. If you be say people they die, now know they touch you because of one election of 4 years. One of una for they play the same game. Now you they take the constitution and so. You be kwekus. You are not a man. I'm telling you. If you be saying because of election, now they go they scatter everywhere for those states because I not fit do during the campaign. I not fit do during the campaign time. Now I protest. If you can worry now, we make a lala. You be kwekus. Now not be man. Yes, na me oh. Now me, my sister, not they support evil because the way when they take the destroy things now, it's no longer protest in those states. Now me, na still less of yesterday will be say the verse without bad with this. Yes. Now me, I'm not bad, not be me and my people. Because this way they spoil and all of them don't more they spoil, almost all of them, it go affect us, it go affect you. I'm telling you. I'm just telling you. Because the way of Tinubu na saying that 1 trillion I don't spoil for Lagos. They never even made the calculation finish. We they never begin to calculate our own now. Una think say they get from where they want to go collect the money. Now they say you where they cry say Nigeria is bad. Now your head don't take pay, huh? What the youth damage? What the citizen damage? Now the citizens, you and I, they will still pay the put. And we will see they inside the debts. Ogbagberane. Ogbanagbanya. Not kai weje na viola. Ogbanya. So that one not concern me. So I don't rest. But why all of una go remember me. If you be say they pay una take they do this thing, you go cry tomorrow. You go cry tomorrow because me I know the support. I not get what they fight for. I am not fighting for Abat. I am not fighting for Obaseki. I am speaking for the ODJs of Edo State. I not get anybody where they behind. Because even Obaseki is speaking for the indigenous of Edo State. He's serving Edo State, not any other people. So me, I not feel to support anybody. So na so it be. Na so it just be. Ogbani ona gbanya. Na so it just be. The one I can't they do now, it don't mean any sense. Come on, you may go kill yourself. I know it happens, my brother. I know, but maybe they look at now. Maybe they look the one way that they spoil. Now the one way that they spoil, now they pay me. Oh, palliative or palava, big palava, I don't know whatever. Me, I not get interest to any food where they can. Just because those food was made for the people, you know. I not there after the food where they carry. I don't quarrel for that one. I don't quarrel pass. Oh. I don't quarrel for that food. I don't quarrel pass. That one I settings. I even cry put. It give me shock. It give me fever for 1 hour self. So I don't want don't pass. But the one with the way it is they go now. If you not make for a peaceful protest, they will force this protest. They will force and stop. If you can't stop, you not call last to that 30 days what they wait for. What is the meaning of starting the protest for the first place? With the way it is they go now, they can't say they can't. Federal can't use their strength now. Force this protest, they force and they stop them. What was the reason for you and I to start it for the first place? Why were you so bad for the first place? Why were you feeling bad for the life of the one that are dead? Why we after what tag so? My one, even though say you and person quarrel tomorrow, you know me say me if you see where something for not good today, may not talk. Now make una take the spoil things because he's not my friend. He cost me yesterday, and I not talk to him today. Whether na he want save you today, you don't know. I don't get time for now. I don't get one una do. I don't get that one una do at all. Now respect I get for people. I not sabi fear anybody. This life where I just dey so I feel respect you to the lab, but fear cancel right not them my agenda. If you are my boss, if I must be loyal as a boss, you have to be loyal too, so that the thing go there equal right. We not go the verse. That is how it is. That is how you do things with stainless. If I'm loyal to you, don't be think I'm scared of you. You too have to be loyal also. Put yourself on my shoes and put yourself on my size. Don't feel too big because no man is God. Now stainless be that. That is my policy. And when you cannot dance with it, you cannot handle it, fuck off. I not, you see this my belly, and I know what they stay. I not be people. I not fit keep any just for inside this my belly. Can't they suffocate myself for inside bed. See my what happen. Now you born me. You be mama. You be my picky. When are the reason your matter? What happen? Even if I know the reason my boyfriend matter too much. Since he go work and then they come back, I know reason now since. If you come, if you not come, you go stay where you did. Not talk of you where I don't know. I can't the reason you say now what happen. I not send you. I not send you. If you just do well, you will do well. If you not do well, I'll just give out to you. If you do well today, I praise you today. If you do bad tomorrow, I'll tell you say tomorrow you are wrong. If you make about, if you win today, I'll clap for. If you fail tomorrow, I'll see and call you. Say, my sister, try more. Welcome, honey.
Hi.
Nice. So that's it. Yeah. So me, I don't talk my own. No. I don't talk my own, and I don't rest. Because, but yeah, help me. Thank you. Good boy. You are darling. Who is this that is suffocating my adjustments? Mama, this one when you call me direct, so.
What happened?
Hello, ma. Good evening, ma.
Mama made your hair beautiful like that. Could
Okay.
be longer. But it doesn't, huh? Yeah.
All right.
Wow.
Okay. Ministers. You put it on loudspeaker now?
Yes, ma, mama, but you have to load the other one you are watching me for so that you stay concentrated with your talk.
Yeah, I'm already long now. Thank you.
All right, ma.
I greet the house. My sister, you say that they spoil medicine. I hope you remember, say your governor was the first governor where he spoiled the peaceful protest. The first governor where preach the coffee. And not be the first, not be Edo State was the first state where get the peaceful protest. Lagos was the first state that started it. After Lagos, Anambra. After Anambra, before Edo State. But when it comes to coffee, your governor was the first person to bring coffee. Why? That is one reason for that destroying of that medicine, okay? There's the second reason for your governor to not allowing the people to pick justice peacefully. Then the medicine has to be destroyed. Thirdly, that medicine are not supposed to be in a place where there is food. It's supposed to have a warehouse where it's written this warehouse is for medicine and the other one is for food. The other one is for clothes. Why combine it all together? It's not a good governor.
No, ma. Mama, one moment. For that medicine part and for the food part, those medicines were not together with the food. Because the day they break that palliative, they collect food, there were no medicine included. This medicine all happens today. This one just happened of recently. They are not together. It's a different. This is another different department, different place. Not be saying they're together. No, it was not together.
If I agree with you, if I agree with this your explanation, now let me also bring one idea. If actually that I'm agreeing with you, I want to let's down to your tune that it's not in one place. It's accepted. Okay, fine. Why will your governor stop people not to take food for the first time? Why will food.
Now you said it. Now you just, Mama, thank you very much. Mama, thank you very much. That word you just said, certain content. Why would Abbott, not the governor? Because what happens there in that morning, my SLSC was not, it was not aware of it. You don't know, not be send Abbott go. Maybe that people will say, I said, yeah.
Can I give a shocking news?
Okay.
We so much believe on Abbott. When Abbott bring a news, we believe that it's from governor.
But this one was not. I know that is why that is why the matter. He offended everybody. Everyone was angry about it because I understand you, Mama. I understand you very well. Everyone, maybe we.
Listening to me, please stay clear so that we know where our news is coming from. You cannot come and tell us this, and later on the governor will say no. I am not Abbott, because we so much believe that Abbott is the one that make us know governor in social media.
Okay.
So for them spoiling that medicine, no. Me, I disagree with it though. They have to spoil it. If they didn't spoil it, then Abbott Seki will not know that people of Edo State are hungry. They cannot put you on seat. At the same time, let me tell you, we know that Abbott Seki said his own government is different from other government. Then why is it now is the same? Why? Why is it so?
Man, let me explain that part for you. Why Governor Ogbaseki government is it the same? It's the same because it's still roaming with the same people that we say is not good. Now the same people. Now the same people is still working with. Now the same people is still they follow work. That is why the matter still remain the same. Because you and I know that the governors that we have in Nigeria, they will not take themselves low to work with the common masses who really want to work with them. They go want it all those senators, all those barrister, degree, PhD, degree holding, and those people they are just there to fight for their own stomach. But there are masses who are willing to work for the people, but they will look down on them. That is the problem.
Right? New idea that Edo State is not other states. It's a different way, different idea. So why you say that is the same?
It's the same, my mama.
Have a scammer there.
You know, I don't guess. No, it's the same because when we have a scammer,
I believe one language from you guys. You guys say Edo not be Lagos. We
yes.
Use that, right?
Yes. I believe.
Why?
Yes.
Why you say that Lagos?
I don't know be Lagos because I don't know be Lagos. That was because this I don't know be Lagos that come up this year where you hear so. It come out during this election we play in Edo State. And because of the forces and the stronghold from those godfatherism, all those godfathers, all those vultures where they feel on human flesh, where they say they want to take over the state, maybe say that the state can be their own. We stood together, we fight. Now that with Mama listen, now the unity where we do. We are not beating. Now why you give you the reason why we say I don't know be Lagos? I don't know be Lagos because may I tell you, Mama, may I tell you that we all J. Well, we done email. Ota we name me ba.
Make Obaseki stop this kind of boss.
Anything that fine, okay, Mama, listen. I want answer one. Sha, you say stay less. Mama, wait. I want answer one comment. He says, oh. He says, stay less. You said, boss, you told the Jew to destroy anything they see. Why they not go Aso Rock? Why they not go Sadebe Avenue? Why they not go House of Assembly? Why be saying I waiting concern me and you waiting the concern the night they want to destroy? Only one my way. That not be a Dumadu body. That one not Dumadu body. That they plan people who want to go Aso Rock now. They not go. Even though the now let those Jews destroy anything, destroy. But which one don't go Aso Rock? Which one goes at the Avenue goes face all this soldier? They want to really die young guys and they say they get mad. I bet if you not see where truth they talk and no matter irregardless of anybody you are angry of. Irregardless of anybody you are angry of. Me, I not get time, oh. I not get that time. But this medicine they spoil, so I don't talk and say that medicine is not to be stored. I don't know when it's stored there. If it don't pass 6 months, it's about to expire. If that medicine don't pass 1 year, there is about to expire. So now that one me know. That is all I know, and that is all I have to say. If you not say me they continue to destroy everything where they see, I know that medicine they never even treat me once. Anytime where they go home, and they use big bat, they don't medicine for you, they can't go give my children. You not concern me. So that's how it just be. I have said it. This protest now, you guys, the youth of Nigeria, you guys are about to make sure so all those people want for this protest stop. And this protest stop without accomplishing our mission. It's a shame. It's a shame on us as the citizens of Nigeria. Then we'll be representing the lazy youth Buhari former say we are. We have to take it easy to make sure that this thing lead to 30 days hold they fine. If you not reach, we are nothing but a dirty ass lazy youth. I rest my case, so I not say I not do what I want to do, but what you they destroy? If you they destroy because of protest, it's fine. But if you be say person pay you to go there they destroy, so now that one me are not there after. You hear? So you will ask me this question. If they destroy because of protest, it's a different thing. But if they are destroying it because someone gave them money to do it, that is an evil. That is wickedness. That one not the part of protest. That one a dirty wickedness. Just like that boy when they shoot, they carry and go hospital to treat her for fees. If they thief another person for, will you tell me say that one go out for protest? Will you tell me say such citizen was asked for protest? No. You will not say no, it was not asked for protest. It was just there to steal or to kill either to say I kill somebody there where they're going to do and I kill one person. People are even what so citizens they want to make sure say they deliver, say they kill person. For inside this protest, not to make sure say they deliver, say we win it and we got what we want. One of the deceive una said then they make una they stay less. Like say that me be una problem. Like say that me be una problem. I mean me be una problem. Oh. I let the tell una we una problem like that and put. I not be una problem. True to God Almighty. If somebody make them make sure say, hey, I deliver. Let me drop that guy. Now just what they want to hear, what they want to do. Not that they want to be happy that we complete and we succeed the revolution. Nobody. That's why I talk my own rich. This person where they call me, I don't on this one they make video. I don't tire, I go work to that. What be this for Spain? I said that this phone they use. You want buy new phone for me? Why they disturb them? Come on there, now this phone they use. This phone they use. Why not they call me? I don't need phone call. Nobody should call me. If you have anybody to call now, call your brother to give a peaceful protest because they are not protesting anymore. They are destroying. Palliative before no one you go destroying fellow citizens, going to people's store to go and steal. I tell you, I say, when I go hurt to myself, going to people's store, and even from the one they talk and say, don't hurt your fellow citizen. Don't hurt your fellow Hyundai citizen. Everybody's injured. Everybody feel this pain. Me, we're not in Nigeria. They feel don't hurt your fellow citizen. I keep on saying it. So I will not be protest again now. Since that when you go teach for a store, you know how it takes off and get that money. You know they carry lap when I nap or lapo and they call and they start that store. How you want to pay back? Where you want to start from? Somebody will break it. You know they carry money for bank. They bet that can make the money to survive for taxi. If you spoil and now you want to pay, where you want to start from? Eh? I just tell you. No, man, nobody not coming today. I don't want to receive call today. My head don't worry me. I don't need call today, so please. So now that one me just day. You don't want to the hot people, not good. Go see on the shop. They say don't scatter people's shop. They thief everything where they get for their store. They make some stores empty. They make some people start from square one. That one a wickedness now. Not be government give them money. Not be government. Person car where you spoil, not be upper second buyer. Person store where you go break, go pass, not be upper second give her money, may test that store. Let's be honest to ourselves. Do it to them, not be people, fellow citizens like you got the rep. What you call concert to concert protest now? Let's be sincere. What you call concert to concert this protest now? Never tell matter no way. Go the fucking innocent people to they go. What you call concert to concert protest now for inside this matter? For this matter, your prick support to even raise at all. For this matter, where they grant, so your prick support to evil race, if not be evil one and so for men. Oh, I got moving taking no one, I'm not going to tell you no wrong. Why is it not assassinate? Huh? For this matter, where they grant, as you they see that body, your prick see the rate they do raping. See that the vandalize to will not be a quick where they not dash you. Huh? Honestly, I want to you come up for that. They see that the first person where they use it the year rape. Stealing, killing, rape, stealing, killing. Ah, this one take concern rape now. Eh? you don't understand this old one na dey carry matter dey put for head. I don't know for you. Before I don't to take your comments. I not fit take nonsense of you again. Get out of here. Get out of here. If I don't dey feel guilty now, they write this useless comment. All those guilty idiots. I don't talk my own, no. Because this matter where they grant now, it not concern Toto. It has nothing to do with Pekus. Even Pekus they suffer to make money for that Nigeria. That they shut down, that they go shit. You be winch. For you to even feel your teeth to even feel the race by this character, you must be a wizard. Now these kind of people like when I come back and say if you see una no wrong. Say if you see man where they cry, where it make bang say no wrong. Now people like una where they rape, where they battlefield, where they artist they race. Jesus. If you're not going to the battlefield, you can kill na the kill woman for blood of Jesus. What for now? It's not funny, my dear. It's not just funny. No. On I'm okay. Uroda wo kweka where you do. Oh, you can we have one like second. Bo for inside battlefield. Oh boy, you be rugged goats. You are a rugged he goat. Jesus. It's not acceptable. I not support that one. That one not join. You not join. This right, I don't say this right Toto. What it happen? Just the run, they go. Hey, bo. You see one get. I don't know how to say because I believe say before man and woman because they get small totori that they touch body, that they talk and or discuss and you can't they feel and you can't get totori. Oh, what that walk wow. Jojo drag woman big carry a John first. Bang. You go even get my tail release. Oh, Azewaki, una be winch. You even get my tail release for inside the matter. You are a devil. I got tired. Then let me yakane. Tire me. Truth of God. Tire person. See, God concert to concert this one. Go the thief your fellow sister will not get money to start life. All those girls now, you don't know whether any of them know how they take prevention. Whether they know what they call prevention now, or peace, or whatever, to take flush your miserable spell come off for body, they're not gonna know. They'll go see go bomb bastard, John bastard like you. You know, say I say bastard, not go free for generation. Hey! And I'm not the next condom. Una be winch. For those of una wey you the rape for inside, una be devil. For those of una wey neki I don wo that wokuo azewaki. Egbe azewaki. You people are winchi. What for some people? What is you go your ears or test? You very bad, my sister. Very, very bad. Leave me messy. Leave me. I want that they take the doing. Just carry person, just corner around with speed. Big. You come out, you give the next person. Big. You give the next person. Bang. Jesus. Una be winch. Like what your SLS try to get the rapist, leave the prison and look for the rapist. Because they are producing more prisoners. Look for the rapist because the rapists they are producing awaiting prisoners. Because pikin wey grown away not get papa is gonna be like a papa, gonna be a rapist. Please start looking for the rapist. Leave the prisoners. If not them, get them back because I swear for them that cost will be on them. If not that they do this one, get them back and you say na Zoom they fed there be put them back to Zoom. All this one where they repeat so the bizarre today is Zoom. All those one where they are they done for front of Oku, the desire today is Zoom. So wicked. Beg go. Don't go relax my pour water for my head will relax. Because me I don't tire. Never see. Protest. So many say for protest, if they know they go, your pre go, your raise, your quickly fuck one person. Tell me now, Marty. Atafo. Tell me, how many you don't rape? If you be saying that people like you, they break to will not be their own so. If you call the protest, you hear the shot, they go, your thing go, your raise, your shook and put for any woman own. Because of the protest. Without protection, no condom, no reservation. You go, you release all the condemned elements inside your body. I beg go. You can't say I don't know the meaning of protest. I know. Now what they do, now I support that they do since then. But what they call they do, like not there among. Protest. Then I come the court person here and I'll say I protest. Now go they keep petting they do this one and I'll say I protest. Kidnapping don't dey inside the protest. Na protest. People now what they thief. I don't want to happy when man you give domuna and all those people when they don't thief now don't carry go. I want their mama and papa one can even contest money for inside the lockdown the protest period. We want to go discharge them. Now they do the madiga. They do the nyash, they do the kwekus there until money come. Now what for you? Oh, when I protest. She can't dirty protest with her. Which one say it's not too late to start with Obaseki? It's the fact that you say it's done late before. Now you gotta do the campaign. I'm not against my governor and I will never be against my governor. But I'm against the evil people around him. I keep on repeating it. He have a lot of principalities that are working with him, that are causing all this mayhem in the city, the state. He have a lot of evil. Most of these things that are going on, a lot are constitutive right from that office before you go outside. Let's be honest with ourselves. They will call confusion. People put the innocent man for inside. Make the dance around. Which one be say stand with you can say stand with governor. It's not too late. I tell you, I did against them before. I did against people where they are that where they do evil around that. Where people say they make her, they say that it be the bad one. Now those people are there against after. I say stand with us. Now you fair beg me, the one will carry me go meet her. Say now you fair carry me go meet her. Come out. And then with governor, they support governor. Not me say if my governor do what is not sweet. Me, I'm not gonna say what you do so not sweet. I'm not be that kind of politician because I'm not for the politics. I'm for the people. Okay, get that straight into your fucking head. I'm not for Obaseki. Obaseki is not for himself. He is for the people. Send me here. I'm for the people. And that make no sense in it. So worry that one. I'm always with him. I'm not against him and I cannot be against him. I'm against those evil people that don't live betterment in those states, that claim to be friendly, that claim to be nice to the governor, which they know themselves. They know themselves very well that they are devil, they are witch, they are evil. They don't want us to be good. The innocent man just waka kweta inside him miss Iyoko waka inside him miss some people will be say no understand. Now that one be the pity where I even get for the governor. If they dwell with people will be say he said no understand them. That man don't tire. If I must tell you, His Excellency said don't tire. I must fulfill the promise for my people. Now make her sit dead there. And they tell you the truth. I don't step matter the tire person. I don't step matter. I want to make one night. I want a woman, want a woo. I want a man. I'm worried of it. I don't step matter the tire person. I don't come. He don't tire God. He don't tire His Essence. He don't tire Noge. I said, don't tire my bed. Don't tire everybody. He don't tire run. Make her say, don't run. Now make her sit there. Who na one brick come way not go tire. Oshomo le turn out to Lord of Ona. Lucky Gbune turn out to Lord of Ona. Even Jogbemu the one at the city turn out to Lord of Ona. Who want turn out to Lord of Ona? Now Isaiah one one brick on our turn out to Lord of Ona. That place is a load. Now heavy load where they heavy. Now that man carry. If you see person give her, I go dash, you go relax for America. I swear down. But they say, I heard the verb because that man they drive with dirty people, greedy people, selfish people, stomach is fast rusher people. We will not care about other people.
Hello guys, you're welcome back. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And while you are at that, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that next time when my video drops, you will be notified. And one more thing I'd like to say is that if there's anything that you guys would like me to change, like an addition or an increase to anything I'm doing with my video production, or like a reduction or decrease or take away from my video production, don't hesitate to leave your comment or your suggestion, your opinions on the comment section. And believe me, I read every comment and I'll know what changes to be made. Thank you all so much for watching once again. Bye.